Hey, if you're checking out this laser bore sighter here from MidTen, I want to show you it up close and just share some of my feedback on it. First thing is that this is made out of brass, so I do like that. It's going to be the same as a cartridge that you would put right in. It's the way it looks. This will fit right down into your chamber. So I do have a 9mm here. You would just rack it back, put this in like you're putting a cartridge right in. Just the same. Now, due to Amazon's guidelines, I cannot show an actual firearm in here. I would love to show you exactly how that goes, but I'm not going to be able to do that. You just take all 3 batteries, put them right in there, and you're going to see, as soon as I put all 3 batteries in there, that laser comes right on. Please note that as long as the batteries are in here, there's no on and off button. The batteries are in, that laser is on. The only way to shut it off is to take the batteries out. You do get about 1.5 hours of use time out of it, which is, I think, very generous. Now, since I can't actually show a firearm, I am going to take a barrel here and just kind of simulate. That would fit right in like that. So it fits right into a 9mm barrel. They do make different sizes. So if you have a different type of firearm, just check and see which kind that you want to get. And then you could see that laser going right down the barrel there. So this is great. It's really good for saving time, saving money on ammunition, things like that. You just go in, like I said, you would rack back, slide this right into your chamber. It loads it like it's an actual round. It goes right into the barrel like that. It's good from anywhere from 15 to 100 yards. So this way you can, if you have a red dot, a green dot, another laser, anything like that on the side, you can use this right down the center of the barrel, be able to aim, see that dot, get your sights in so that you know exactly where you need to be lined up. And then you can eject this out just like you normally would. So again, I'm just going to take the barrel here, load that in. And then you can see there that laser. So you can run on your target, wherever it is you're going to be shooting, you can try to line that up. Now it's daytime here, so you can see that this is still easy to see in daylight. And even when it's dark out, you can easily see that laser as well. And another thing I do like about this laser bore sighter is it does come factory calibrated, so you don't have to worry about that. You can simply load this in, zero in your target, save yourself a lot of time, save yourself a lot of money on ammo, and this is a great little product.